How you doing? You've got to try this viral salad. It's loaded with flavor and texture and tastes so good. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper, and I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's episode is the one with the salad, and I'm showing you how to make the Jennifer Aniston salad. Do you get what I did there? Yeah, friends, how you doing? The one with the salad. It was my attempt at humor. I'm not good at that. Well, this is called the Jennifer Aniston salad because it's rumored that she ate this exact salad every day on the set of Friends. This is such a great make-ahead lunch or a quick and easy side dish. You'll want to make sure to grab the full printable recipe in the video description below. Okay, so to start our Jennifer Aniston salad, I have some quinoa finishing up on the stovetop behind me. You want to get that going first, let it do its thing. While the quinoa is cooking and steaming, we can build the rest of the salad. So we want a big bowl for this recipe. You know me, I always choose the wrong size bowl. It's always too small. So get a big one because you want lots of room to move stuff around. So it's going to start with some chickpeas. So I have a can of chickpeas that I've rinsed and drained. I guess that's backwards, right? I would have drained them and then rinsed them. Potato. Then I have some cucumber that I cut up into a small fine dice. Get all of that in there. And then we're going to add some red onion to this. So I have half of a red onion here. We're just going to, again, we want a fine dice because nobody wants like a big bite of onion on their fork. So nice and fine. I'm just gonna make sure this is on the okay. In she goes. If you don't have red onion, you can substitute any other type of onion that you have. It's perfectly fine. Okay, so to this, we're going to add some feta cheese. I just love the briny saltiness of feta that it brings to the salad. So we'll add that. And I'm gonna slide this aside. Now we're going to add the freshness of some herbs. So I have some parsley here, and you need quite a bit of parsley. So I'm just going to remove the stems from this. Give myself some room to work. And this is one of the recipes you'll want to use fresh herbs and not dried herbs. They just don't bring the right flavor to the recipes. We need about half a cup of chopped parsley, and I just like to get it into a big bunch to start my chop. Right, we'll bring our bowl back in. We're gonna add that parsley. And last but not least for our herbs, we're going to add some fresh mint here. I just love the flavor that the mint brings to this recipe. Oh, it's so good. And mint is so easy. Like if you have room, grow it. I don't think you can kill it. I can kill any plant. I am a very good plant killer. I've yet to kill mint. It keeps coming back. Very hardy. And if you're a mojito lover like myself, it's always nice to have some fresh mint on hand. We will add our mint to the bowl. Last but not least, we're going to add a bit of crunch to our salad. So I have some chopped pistachios. In they go. Can you just tell? You can just tell how really good this is gonna be. Now last but not least, I'm gonna grab our quinoa off the stove behind me. Okay, and we will put the quinoa in there. Yum! Oh. We're gonna give this all a quick stir and get everything together. Yum! Oh my gosh, I can't wait to dig into this. Okay, just a light stir. I'm gonna set this aside. Next, we're going to work on the dressing for our salad. So I'll just use one of my small bowls here, and it's going to start with some olive oil. Get that going. And to that, we're going to juice a lemon. So we'll just cut it in half. And I love this lemon squeezer. It's so handy. Now, contrary to what seems right, you're gonna put it in upside down. You're gonna put it with the cut side down. It doesn't seem like it's gonna work. It works, trust me. Get so much juice out. And none of the seeds. And then you just pull it out. And the other half. Oh, it's so bright. I love the smell of lemon. I can't get enough of it, really. Okay. And last but not least, to our dressing, we're going to add a little bit of my house seasoning blend here. You can grab that recipe on my website. This is really the seasoning for our salad, so you want to be liberal. We have a lot of salad here. We're going to whisk that all together. So we're just going to whisk all of our dressing ingredients together. Beautiful. And then over the salad it goes. Get it all in there. And then everything gets a big toss. Oh, God. This is a great make-ahead recipe too, because you can store this in the fridge for a couple of days, and the longer it sits, the better it gets. Okay, that's it. All right, I'm going to plate this up because I can't wait another minute to dive into this. Just look at how delicious this is, and it's packed with so much goodness. Now, I don't know about you, but I am ready to dive in. Going in for a big old bite, and I want to make sure I get a little bit of everything. There's a pistachio, some feta. Okay, I found my new go-to lunch. I think I'm gonna eat this every day. Now you can make this even heartier by adding another cooked protein like chicken or salmon, or take a walk on the naughty side and put a little bit of crumbled bacon in there. I can definitely see why Jennifer Aniston ate this every single day. It is definitely a keeper. There are so many great salad recipes out there. You have to try my shaved Brussels sprout salad with apples. This is another recipe that I just can't get enough of. You can check it out here. I'll see you over there.